In this video, I want to talk to you beginning actors out there who do not have a lot of credits to put on a resume. So what do you do when you're asked for a resume and you don't have anything to put on it? We'll find out in just a moment. Hey everybody, if you're new here, and if you're a beginning actor, you probably are new here, my name is Doug Fahl. This is Augmented Actor, where we help you augment your acting career with tips, tactics, and tech. So you're just starting out as an actor, and maybe you've done a little bit of background extra work, or maybe you appeared in your school play or something like that, and somebody says, put together a resume. Well, what do you put on that resume? Well, I have a playlist full of resume information, but most of that information is going to be for the more seasoned people that have had some credits to build it. If you have very few credits or no credits, or your credits are like extra work or background work and you don't really want to put those on the resume, and I recommend you don't, you want to focus on your training. And this is something you have control over right now. I mean, you might not be able to afford a class right now, but you can choose to take a class. You can choose to buy an online class, or go to an actual physical class, or train with a coach, and you can take voice lessons or dance lessons, and anything like that you can list on the resume tells these people that yes, you don't have credit yet, but you are working toward it, you are taking this career seriously, you're training yourself, you're meeting people, you're making connections, and that's just as important sometimes as, I played a role 10 years ago. Another thing you can do is just accept the fact that you don't have roles yet, and maybe avoid those auditions initially, because you're not likely to get picked or brought in for those auditions without anything on your resume. So instead you want to work on spending a year building your resume. What does this mean? Find students in your area that are doing student film projects and try to get involved in those. Often they don't pay, but you can get footage for a demo reel and you can get that credit, and then you can put that on your resume. If you are in the film and television world or want to be, a good thing to do is to make your own YouTube channel. And even if you just post one or two things on it, make your own project. Get with your friends and create your own project, give it a title and put it on there, and then you have a credit. You've done some on-screen camera work. And they don't really need to know that it's not for some professional company or whatever. They just need to know that you've had some experience being on camera and putting together something. So make your own work. And also you can do theater. Theater, community theater, church theater, school theater, anything like that. Get involved. Go and audition for those. It's a lot easier to get cast in those as a beginner. And then once you have those credits, you can put them on your resume. It shows that you are acting and used to being in front of an audience. Even if you don't want to do theater, I advise doing theater when you're first starting out, because it teaches you so much and you make so many connections, and it really is helpful to when you get into working in film and television. Also, make sure you put any special skills you have on a resume. So if you sing, put that you sing, put the kind of singing that you do. Is it legitimate singing, opera, belty, pop? Put that down and list your vocal range. If you are a dancer, tell us what kind of dancing you do. Are you jazz, ballet, tap, modern, folk, partnering, ballroom, all those kind of things. List those down and talk about your training in those as well. List any languages you speak. If you're good at doing dialects, you can put those. And if nothing else, you can put a link to a demo reel. Now, what happens if you don't have a demo reel, you don't have anything, projects to put in there? Well, again, any of these student films or self-produced projects that you do, you can put into a demo reel. You can even record monologues or little mini self-tapes and put those in a demo reel as well. And then, as time goes on and you get more projects under your belt, you can replace those and swap them out and create new demo reels. It's kind of hard for everybody at first to hit the ground running and try to build up a resume, and it does take time and it takes kind of pounding the pavement, but those are some steps that you can take to get there initially. That's it. Remember to check out this playlist for more videos about your resume, and this playlist for more a video that you might be interested in. There's links on your screen as well. I appreciate you being here and watching this video all the way to the end. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.